What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Session J. As you can tell by the title, I am eating seafood. I have catfish, lobster tail, turkey sausages, shrimp, and crab legs. Today is the letter R. Before we get into that, let's say our grace and get right on into it. Dear Heavenly Father, we want to thank you for the food. Please bless this food, making nourishing my body. Jesus Christ, I pray, amen. How you guys doing today? I'm outside with your baby. Guys, I said, dress, hey. But anywho, I got me some sauce. I had so much seafood left over from last night. I spiced it up with some catfish. You know what I'm saying? Just spiced it up with some catfish. Let's get into this video. They're hot. Hot and smoke wire. But today, letter R is for respect. As you guys know, if you don't dish out no respect, it gets none. It's the same way we're supposed to talk to people and treat people. I'm just gonna set this down so I can see my food. And you just can't be around here doing what you want to do, talking to people that you want to talk to them, and think that it's okay. You know, this bowl's so hot. I'm gonna take that bowl down. I won't put it up here. But yeah, those who watched my video last night or yesterday or whatever, last night, cause we didn't get through with that seafood boy. It's 11 o'clock at night. But that was crazy. But my daughter had to work, so that's why she came so late. But I really enjoyed them guys. Life with new money. It was always a fun time with family. You feel me? But yeah, I looked on trying to find me some tickets. I got me some fish, catfish. This time I got me some catfish. I guess I picked a good bag. Because if you watch my videos from the last video, they was all cut in half. Have y'all ever had catfish with your seafood? It's good. And this fresh, I just feel it. It's hot. I'm gonna throw some tobacco sauce on there. But yeah, today is the letter R. And baby, when I tell you, you have to be respectful. People are not going to just show you respect just because you some type of person, whatever. But you got to dish that stuff out. You got to earn respect. Are you respectful? Because I care about people's feelings and how they feel, and you know, I don't like to treat people wrong, you know. It ain't cool. But like I said, I'm trying to get on that, I'm trying to find me some tickets to go to the Gorilla concert, Glow concert. Get them, Glow. I want to go to her concert so bad. Always waiting to the last minute to do stuff. My birthday is not this week, but it's next week. So I'm saying, like, I gotta stand on business before it gets too late. I'm always excited to go to the orthodontist anytime. Cause when I tell you, I talk about this every time on my video. I sometimes wonder if that's why I don't eat much. Ooh. Oh, that seafood boy making one damn. Literally. But yeah, I got my water. I love my lemon water. I don't know. It helps me, like, I don't know. Sometimes it helps with the stomach, helps clean out your body, you know, just cleaning out everything. You know, let me eat my fish before it get cold. I don't like cold fish. Most likely, I'll probably be eating the rest of this for dinner. This is my first meal for the day. I'm gonna set that bowl right there. Yeah. Yeah. Fix that little thing up. I got this on because I ain't had to do too much cooking today. My Friday fish. Because everything was already prepped up. Ooh, you're popping there well. Popping there well. It's a nice day here in Houston. If they're going outside with them. You know? I'm gonna leave that one for last. It's kind of hard. And hard on my feet. Not hard on my hands, trying to crack it. But yeah, it's been a good day. I'm having a good day. I ain't drinking nothing today. I'ma watch some movies and relax in my bed. Haven't did that in a while. You know, just chilling. You know, do a little chilling. But make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. It's about time for me another gyro. I've been doing good on my Atkins diet. Keto diet. I can feel the weight kind of trimming off. I can tell by my clothes. But I'm just gonna take my time with this thing. As long as I lose 10 pounds by my birthday, I can slow roll the rest. You know what I'm saying? I can kind of like slow roll the rest. You know? Man, I should never fried this fish and focused on this seafood boy, because I don't got full. I was gonna open this up and put it on there. It's too much. I already got them eating the sauce and all that. I literally should just made some catfish and put it on some keto bread. I don't think I like keto bread. It's good. That's some good bread. I ain't gonna play with you. That's some good bread. I ain't even playing. That is some good bread. I like it. Yep. But I ain't got nothing going on today. Be mindful on how you treat people. That comes with respect. Everybody, even a dog, deserves respect. You know? It's time for me to get my nails done. I didn't want to get them done this week. For my birthday next week. I want everything to be fresh. It's parsley season. Not yet. But it's coming up. That fish has literally filled me up. And I ain't much playing. I'm talking about for real. I'm trying to fill me up. But I'm gonna put it this time. I'm not gonna put it. I'm gonna eat this for dinner. I can't be wasting no food, not no seafood. Nope. I ain't gonna do it. These were some big shrimp. I ain't gonna lie. They were kind of nice size. I got them fresh. I also got these crab legs fresh. And I bought the catfish at the bag at HEB. Because you get more in the bag, but it's good. Like I said, I should just got on here and did catfish only. But I was able to chop down a lobster tail. And I'll be able to chop this down later on tonight. Because I looked it up and it said seafood boil is only allowed in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days. Also, if you're on the keto diet, on the journey with me, try drinking you some water before you eat. And you most definitely will get full. But, whew, let me eat one more smoked sausage or something in front of you guys. But I'm seriously, I don't know if y'all think I be playing or what, but I be getting full. Tonight, I might get back on here. And I bought some low carb ice cream. And I bought some walnuts. And I put some walnuts in there. I make my own black walnut ice cream. And it be good. I put it in the microwave about 8 seconds. Cause I like mine like on the shake style. Then I stir the walnuts up in there. I guess I can literally make this a life journey. But I did say, once I got out, and my birthday was over with, I want to add a little rice and stuff into my diet. I was supposed to get me some cauliflower, mashed potatoes. I want to check that out and tell you guys what it tastes like. And I didn't get it. I forgot. Spice your keto up. You know what I'm saying? I also bought this different kind of flour type of meal to go on my catfish. And it only had 8 grams of carbs in it. And that's the less carbs I ever seen in a fish fry. The fish fry to put on the fish. So I grabbed that, and it's absolutely good. As y'all know, I'm not a salt intaker. So I didn't put salt on my fish, I just used the batter. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. I know I didn't eat much, but I did eat my catfish, I did eat my lobster tail. I did eat a shrimp or two, a couple of clusters, and I ate a little bit of the smoked sausage. I might have had a little bit too much food. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And slide over there to Life with New Money and Our Kids, Our Family. Hit that like button. Comment down below. Ask me anything you want. I'm here for you. And remember to be respectful. And then you will be respected. I love you guys. Y'all have a wonderful week. Peace out.